For decades, beautiful Kashmir has been the bloody crucible of South Asia, cursed by war, rebellion, and death. But now, another disaster is unfolding in this divided region. An environmental catastrophe triggered by global climate change.
Recession of glaciers, erratic snowfall, change of growing season, change of species, these are very evident.
Tens of millions of people share the same grim future. Life without clean water. The shrinking Kolohoy Glacier is the source of the valley's water and the emblem of its fate.
The lifeline of Vale of Kashmir is Kolohoy Glacier.
The entire valley of Kashmir gets a drinking water supply, either groundwater or the surface water. In both cases, it comes from the Kolohoy Glacier.
Remote sensing studies by the University of Kashmir show that Kolohoy has receded by 18% since 1960, but the current pace may be much higher.
In November 2008, we put in this stick over at this point, and right now, after 1 year when we are measuring it, the glacier at this point has gone by 2.5 meters. Means it has lost a thickness of 2.5 meters at this point.
In Srinagar, on the Indian side of the divided region, lakes Dal and Nagin are fed by the Kolohoy.
You can see the banks here. In previous times there used to be still another about 2 feet height water, which is now getting lesser and lesser.
The shrinking glacier is accompanied by other climatic changes.
Like the past winter, it was really shocking to see we had only one snowfall here in the plains, which was merely 4 inches. While as in my childhood, by end of November, we used to have almost 2 feet of snow everywhere.
The valley's growing season seems to have changed too.
Flowers normally used to bloom here by end of March. If you come to the Kashmir by middle of February or go to the gardens here, you will see the flowers have already bloomed.
In Kashmir, there is no escape from the calamity.
यहाँ तो लास्ट ईयर भी ऐसा हुआ कि इसी टाइम जब ये तो निकालने का यहाँ मक्की काटने का टाइम है, यहाँ तो 20 दिन तो लगातार बारिश हुई, तो इसमें बहुत नुकसान हो गया हमारे यहाँ पर। हमको इतना उम्र में इतना गर्मी नहीं लगा जितना इस साल है। हाँ, बारिश पहले जो आती थी बड़ी सैंपल आस्ते आस्ते आती थी, अभी कोई टाइम हो गया बारिश बड़ी जोर से आती।
Kashmir's fragile peace and stability may be another victim.
So the entire agriculture system in Pakistan is dependent on waters from Kashmir, these Himalayas, from these glaciers.
If we don't take corrective measures, we don't take ecology into consideration, we don't care for the environment, we don't care for the well-being of the people, we might lose E. coli and then we'll starve for water.